Welcome to day one. 6 crazy gringos. We're going to run the border from North Dominican all the way to South Dominican Republic, running the Haitian, dipping in and out of Haiti. So it should be a good time. There's probably going to be several videos coming out of this. But anyway, just have fun, hang on, and enjoy the ride. Everybody's got those favorite moments, just those one moment in time that the world stopped and you'll always remember for the rest of your life. We're just 6 crazy gringos trying to capture that moment. So hang on to your pants, let's do this. Well, it's always good to get off these trail bikes every once in a while because off-road trail bikes weren't really made for comfort, so yeah, your butt starts hurting. let's pull up to Neil here and say hello. He should like that. Well, this trip's going to cover several hundred miles, so boy, try doing this on an off-road trail bike. Your butt's going to be sore. Ooh, chicas. Well, it seems like you're always lost in the Dominican Republic. In the Dominican Republic, there's no mailing addresses, so if you want to get anything in, anything out, we use box pack, which is kind of like your FedEx, but none of these houses have street addresses. None of these businesses have street addresses. Oh, look, the cop car on your right. That's interesting. Only the best here. But yes, so it's really easy to get lost here because there's no street addresses, no way of knowing. So you stop and ask a lot of questions. Well, like I said, driving in the Dominican Republic is crazy. And if you don't drive crazy, they're going to run over your ass. So anyway, yeah, this is a crazy town. Not this town, but most of them. Well, I think we're lost again. It's not Dennis's fault. Like I said, it's just the way things are here. Well, we're definitely going up now. It took us a while to get to this point, a few hours of driving to get through the flats. Now we're heading up into the mountains. So we're getting closer and closer to the Haiti border. So anyway, you never know what kind of gems you're going to find in this place. You go around the corner and there should be another gem hidden away. So very, very pretty, very foliage. This is nice. The Dominican Republic is a really, really religious country. Well, it's always fun to pull over and get something to drink and check out the culture. Quite a culture here. Well, the kids were always hanging out around these places. These kids are polishing shoes. So they'll polish your tennis shoes, they'll polish your feet, whatever you need polished, they'll do it for money. So awesome, awesome kids. But once you're in the Dominican Republic, you realize the police don't do a whole heck of a lot. It's mostly in the military, especially around the Dominican Republic and the Haitian border. They're very, very thick, lots of checkpoints. Well, anyway, we're in here. We're going to have the stretch of road that we're going to have to go through Haiti tomorrow is controlled by the Dominican government. So we have to get military permission to get on this road tomorrow. So that's what we're doing in here. We're trying to get permission to do this ride tomorrow. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Well, that didn't go so good. They won't give us our passes for today. They told us to come back in the morning. And of course, the person that ran the place says he'll find a motel for us. You know, a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend. Anybody that lives in the Dominican Republic knows what that means. You don't know what you're going to end up at. They'll probably want to put you in a barn, feed you, and charge you money, which is all good. So anyway, we're following the military guy to this motel to, yeah, you can't really argue, so hey. Oh boy, yeah, nice motel. Yeah, I don't see a nice motel down this road, so it's like, ah, crap, here we go. Like I said, this is the Dominican way. Oh wow, and presto, nice motel. Like I said, the nicest people in the world, the Dominican Republic people are, and hidden jewels everywhere. So, like I said, it's a crazy country.
Yeah. Ciao. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, 800 pesos. Anybody else want a beer?
Yeah. And water as well.
Huh?
And water. I want to get some clubs, so if you guys want some.
Which rooms do we have here?
I grabbed this one. I don't know.
I'll grab some.
And the rooms were 800 pesos, which is roughly about 16 bucks.
Yeah, well, she wants you to go check it out. That's what she's saying.
Hell, as old as we're getting, you gotta do something or you fucking be stoved up.
Yep.
Can't do shit. I know.
I walk so much around my house, but I stay pretty much up to
Yeah, you do. Up and
Yeah,
down.
and you're limited.
You walk in, and she's dancing. So when she turned around, there I am dancing. That's a true way to get them to do your good dance. And I was dancing with her. I liked it.
Oh, I thought it was cute as hell. Yeah, and she was an attractive lady.
She was bad.
Yeah.
Her name was Sonda.
There,
And so the mud begins. Nothing like running a trail bike over thousands-foot mountains with mud. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Well, check out the next video, guys. We're going to go into Haiti and we're going to feed kids a bunch of candy. And then somehow we get involved into a funeral. I still haven't figured out how we did that, but yeah. But anyway, hang out for the ride and keep watching. And I hope you're enjoying the ride so far. So anyway, peace out. Bye.